Vidya, nice to meet you. Prajwal, the whole of Bangalore has been hearing your name for many years. You're this popular young actor who's won so many hearts. We are so happy to have you in Saima. Will we ever get to see you perform in Saima anytime soon?
Oh, I love that. But I have been an integral part of Saima for quite some time, and I'm like a regular where you go to a restaurant and you love it and you keep going. That's Saima to me, and one of the best at it. See, appreciation is something that any profession would want, and Saima has been doing that beautifully and giving us more joy to do better at our work. So I'm going to be a part of it, and if they offer, and I would love to perform. Why wouldn't I?
These are some
The pay
really
is good.
cool stuff. Definitely, it will be. It's Saima, right? So I love your shoe. These are really cool.
Louboutins.
Oh, they are like
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what is the thing you enjoy doing most during your free time other than, acting? Do you like dancing, singing, something related to crafts?
So I love dancing. I've been going to classes since I was in my sixth grade,
Okay.
and that's one of my strongest traits as an actor. My dance, and I paint, and I did quite a bit of painting during lockdown. I think all of us found something new to do during that point in time, and painting was that for me. Yeah.
So, how has the last 2 years changed for you? I'm sure all of us got a lot of time to introspect. A lot has changed for us. For me personally, staying at home, I've stayed domesticated. I learned a lot of new things. It was a very different experience for me. How is it for you? What changed for you?
Yeah, I was also affected twice by COVID. So, staying in a room by yourself, washing your own clothes, and doing your own cleaning of the room, it actually brings you back to place. And it keeps you grounded. I think that's one life lesson that no one will forget throughout our lives. And of course, what happened wasn't right, but I think it also, as you said, when you introspect it, I think it made us new people, better people through that.
One question. Since you said you love dancing and since you said you would definitely want to perform in Sama anytime soon, if you had to pick an actor from a different industry with whom you can give a powerhouse or power pack performance on the Saima stage, who would that be?
Guy or girl?
Your choice. You know, let's have both. Like, okay, you can take a female and a male. Start.
Guy, I guess Allu. He's a
Okay.
fabulous dancer and he's got great swag. And then women, I think Tamanna, big fan. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure
chatting with
with
you.
you.
Cheers.
Ladies and gentlemen, with us we have the gorgeous Isha Reba. She's a star in Telugu and she's presenting an award this time. Isha, how has the experience been with Saima?
It's extraordinary because it's the second time I'm coming to Saima and I really love the atmosphere here, the vibe. Whole South film industry comes here and celebrates together. So it's so special to me.
Is this your first Saima?
No, this is the second time.
The second time. So how different is it from the first time?
It's the same actually. Now I think there are a lot of people. This lot of people coming over from South industry and it's fun
So what are you looking forward to tonight?
presenting the award and I want to congratulate all the winners and the nominees also.
So you are originally from
I'm from Hyderabad. I did a lot of films in Telugu, Tamil, and Malayalam as well. Yeah,
so how has the process been? Acting in different languages, was it a Herculean task or
it's just the language is different, except that one everything is same.
the craft is the same?
Everything is the same. Just the language, but I'm trying to learn Malayalam as well. Malayalam is very tough.
I'm a Malayali. Yes.
Oh my god, yeah. I recently finished shooting for a Malayalam movie which got released also, and it's so difficult to get the dialogues, but it's worth it.
Being a Malayali, ask me about it. I myself don't get it because I grew up in Bangalore. I know how hard it is. I get trolled for my Malayalam, but I hope I learn it soon, very soon. And it was a pleasure having you here, and we really hope you win a lot of awards, not just present awards, win a lot of awards in the near future, and we get to see you perform in Sama. We are super excited and eagerly waiting for it, and all the best.